Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. It is a Stitchfix unboxing and I think we like those. My last Stitchfix was such a winner. I can link that above for you. This is one of the tops from it. I wore every piece to vacation, on vacation to Disneyland. It was 110 degrees. So Nikki, you did me good because everything was like, thank you. It was cool and flowy and yeah, so it was great. So I'm so excited to see what she has packed for me this time. Again, it kind of came as a surprise. I forgot. I wanted to delay this Stitchfix and what do you know? I forgot. And so there it got the shipping notification for it. So be sure to go into your profile and check the calendar, and you can determine how frequently or infrequently you want your fixes to come. And I have been pinning like crazy to Pinterest. If you don't follow me on Pinterest, I'm gonna leave that link below, because if you're like me and you're kind of obsessed with just looking at cute outfits, fun Halloween decorations, cute hairstyles, and Disney bounding outfits, then follow me, because that's pretty much what I do. I used to be like the cute pets and fun stuff like that, and now I'm just like all about Halloween and Disney. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's a midlife crisis. All right, this is a big box this time. That's big. I think there's a bag in here, which that was something else. I usually have a rule for me. Stitchfix bags are the best, but holy crap, I don't need another bag. You know? Usually when they're big like this, it's because I don't have shoes set up. I don't have, yeah, there's a bag in there. So I'm gonna see, and it's an extra big return mailer this time. And let's see what the letter says. I hope she saw my love for her. Hi Rebecca, happy fix day. How was your Disney vacation? I hope you had a blast and were able to stay cool. Yeah. For this fix, I focused on a light and easy fix, perfect for taking you from summer to early fall. I think you will love the cotton blend machine washable Market and Spruce lemon printed short. Dying. The white short is perfect. Oh, my other white shorts are perfect for pairing with the yellow Skies Are Blue lace top. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm sort of mentally connected because I have been loving yellow lately. The white short is perfect for pairing with the yellow Skies Are Blue lace top, the versatile Urban Expressions tote, and neutral cognac sandals for a preppy touch for a weekend at the farmer's market. Oh my god, I'm going to a farmer's market on Sunday. Take the look into early fall, add a denim jacket. You got it. I also think you will love the Made in USA Super Soft Just Black jean. Pair them with the fun Thin and Grace blouse, cognac tote, and heels for a date night. So what's great about this is there's a lot of pieces between my trunk club and these Stitch Fixes that really work well together. So I see some cute stuff, and we're still warm here in Seattle, so hey, you know, might as well have lots of fun. It's hazy and smoky, but it's hot, so I'm gonna wear the shorts for as long as it takes. Okay, how cute is that? I used to not be a fan of yellow. Well, actually, no, I think I've always been a fan of yellow. And then I looked in my closet and I hardly have anything yellow. And you guys might have seen that one trunk club batch where it was so much yellow, but I didn't keep any of the pieces because they didn't fit me. So hopefully I have some luck here. Should I just get to the tote first? Okay, I'm gonna do that. Let's check out this tote. It is smart looking. Okay, I love rivets on the bottom. I love that it's not leather because it's certified vegan. That is great. Urban Expressions is the brand. I mean, I do love my Teddy Blake purses, but I have the best bags, especially vacation bags from Stitchfix. All my crossbodies, all my kind of tote type things I have got from Stitchfix. So this is actually, I mean, my gosh, you could fit a laptop in here, an iPad. This is kind of amazing, and it has a shoulder strap. Urban Expressions tote is $64. That's not bad. That's not bad. All right, first we have this yellow top. Okay, super cute. I hope it's not too big. You guys, that was the other thing I didn't do. I didn't update my sizes. So we'll just see, okay? We'll just see. But I think I already love this. I already love this. And then, oh, sorry, got a little excited there. Sunny Lace top is $58. Now remember, if you buy all 5, you get a discount. If you get your friends to sign up, or you guys sign up through my link, I get a discount. Or if you get your friends to sign up, you get a discount. It's amazing. This pineapple halter, dead, dying, dead. Kind of looks too big though. I don't know. Look at the gaping hole shoulders. Oh, but I love it. I love it. This is $54. See, everything's a medium. I'm typically a medium because of my torso, but lately I think I've lost boobage. I've lost a couple inches around my rib cage, and that makes a difference. $54, and they are lemons. Oh, these are cute. Again, kind of short, but you guys, I've been wearing things that I've never worn in like 20 years. Actually make that, no, because 20 years ago I was wearing Bermudas down to my knees. I know. You guys were so nice. You gave me the confidence to wear those white shorts, so thank you so much. You were so kind in your comments, and I really appreciate that because, you know, when you're just not used to showing your thighs to the outside world and then you do that, it's like, so I appreciate that. Thank you. Francesca, high-rise skinny jean, $88. Actually, these are a size 8. But they look like they don't look huge, which is good because I want jeans that are like fit, but they're stretchy, so you never know. Sometimes you're gonna get, yeah, you just never know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try these pieces on for you together. I'm gonna set up in my hallway so you can see them. I'm still wearing my boot, you guys. My toe is still broken. So there will be no cute shoe wear from this girl. I'm so sorry. And I think there are some, you know what I mean, like some clumps of pet fur on my carpet too, so bonus. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. That's what I think of when I see this. Okay, I'm so glad that Nikki did not send me a size smaller in these shorts because I feel like they fit me perfectly. Did you notice how I just kind of like straightened up there? They're so comfortable. They don't feel too short. I really like them. They're so cute with the pattern. They have pockets. Oh my gosh. This, I think I could use a small, but honestly, I'm just fine in this medium, and I think it's perfect. I like it. I really like it. It's just fun. So cute. Give you the back look. What color underwear am I wearing? Oops. Well, we'll see. Does it feel weird putting high-waisted skinny jeans on when it's 85 degrees out? Yes. But are these super cute? Yes. And I am so glad that they are the size they are because honestly, I think they're perfect. Not sure if they'll stretch out or anything, but they're very comfortable right now. And I think it works. Let me know what you think. I like it. This is cute. It doesn't even show my bra, so that's good. Wow, somebody could really do some tricep dips, huh? But I'm digging the pineapples. Ah, I love everything again. Well, there you have my fix modeled for you. I will leave descriptions and names so that you can ask for them from your stylists if you choose to. And be sure to sign up for Stitchfix using my code if you haven't already. please subscribe to my channel. I'm so needy. Please do all these things for me. Yeah, and I hope you liked this, and thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.